Hello everyone, it's me again, Christian from ancoreSoft. And today I'm gonna show you how you can use the various export formats of ancoreShare like PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, HTML or images in your reports depending on your use cases and destinations. And by the way, none of the exports I'm going to show you requires you to have Office or any other kind of third party installed on your clients. My today's setup is a little nice report here with a couple of charts and a multi-page table. And let's directly start with the good old Adobe PDF. I'm going to open it, and the format is great when you go to send or store the report to different platforms. High resolution images where you can zoom in, and multi-page tables with repeating column headers. And the final thing is that the table is an SVG format. So that means the content can be copied and pasted, and you can zoom in to any level and it will stay crystal clear. Okay, let's switch to the next one. PowerPoint. So we have two different PowerPoint exports. One is our simple PowerPoint and the other one is our PDF to PowerPoint. The difference is the simple one cannot export multi-page tables but only images. So we're not covering this today. Data exports only, Excel and CSV. I have covered that in a different video which you can watch here or via the link down in the video description. So directly next to the next one is the PDF to Word. Okay. Export the Word format. When it comes to Word, the export is not just a perfect facsimile of the designed report, but it is also, of course, since it is Word, editable. So this is not an image. Everything you see is a text. Yes, of course, not the images. But as you had it before with the Adobe, we have multi-page table, repeating columns, headers, footers, page numbers, and everything is able to edit directly in your Word. And that is really great because that is an absolute perfect facsimile of the original Adobe PDF you had before designed. Okay. Next one, we have our PowerPoint. But you know what? Instead of just switch over to PowerPoint, let's go to change the storage. Instead of download, we're going to send our PowerPoint export to our SharePoint here. So store in SharePoint, apply, and from now on, as soon as I'm going to start my PowerPoint export, it will create a PowerPoint report and store it directly in my SharePoint storage here. And there it is. Let me open it in my app. And as it was with the Word export, you see instead of having pages, we have slides. But it is the same high resolution export. It has the same functionality like changing the content. Everything is an object, everything is a text object and can be edited. And of course you can use it as or usually as a slide. All right. Let's switch to the next one. From PowerPoint we go to Web PNG HTML. So when it comes to embedded content, you might need a more versatile format like the HTML. And since for that we need to change our export, instead of our SharePoint, we go by send the report as embedded HTML mail by Outlook. Apply, and let's check my Outlook. Yeah, it's clear. And we're going to export now the report to our HTML. Okay, creates the Adobe format. convert it to HTML and send it as an embedded HTML to my Outlook. And that might take a second. And there it is. And you see, it is not an attachment, it is an embedded email. That means the user can directly scroll down and see his content in his email. That works great on mobile or on a desktop version of Outlook. Okay. Finally, we have the image format. Okay. I change my report because when it comes to images, I change it to a single scatter plot format here for this presentation, and I'm going to set my export also to a Qlik automation, and we're going to send it by an image to Microsoft Teams. So execute, and what it does, it changes the format to a PNG and then send it directly as an image to my Teams conversation or chat that I have here. All right, so what you have seen is a various formatting exports directly in your report. You don't need to change any kind of designer or anything else. Just by changing the export type, your report will become the selected export. So that was ancoreShare exporting in different various formats. Hope you like it. Bye bye.